Hindi ko kursunado yung color. Sa totoo lang. Pero dyan na yan. Kaya okay lang. Okay, so ito na naman tayo. This will be the last ito na yung huli siguro gagawin ko ito. I finished already down. Ito na, kita nyo naman, it's already smooth. So ayan siya. So what I still need to do the top one here, I have to paint it. So ito na lang ang hindi ko na pipinturahan. Ayan. Alright. Ayan ang gagawin ko ngayon. That's what I'm doing today. Hopefully I can finish it. Although medyo makulimlim ang panahon, so hopefully it's just gonna rain today. Ayan, so ayan. At papakita ulit ang aking matapos na. Ito yung isa yung right side. Tapos na. So ayan siya. Alam niyo ito yung dating may hole dito nun. Kung naalala nyo, there's a big hole there. I just fill it up with filler at yung bottom na yun. Ayan, so ayan guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do this last portion of my project. Okay. So this was the remaining one. I just finished that one, so I'm still doing this and that one, this one and okay. So I finished the paint and now I have to replace this the weather strip at the bottom. As you can see, it's also broken now, so I have to replace it. And about same thing. So I have to replace that. This one. And about here, this thing. Where is that now? This one. So I bought this one. It's a replacement, so I have to replace that. Here at the bottom. This is my garage. Slide it down, so I can see it there. Okay, here we go. So this is what I did now at the bottom of this garage, my garage, see? So I put it down, slide it down, so this is how it looks. There you go. Alright. So it's almost done. The paint is done, so what I have to do. Yeah. That's now. There. But I have to paint again the frame. This one, I have to paint this. The frame. The frame, I have to paint that. What I'm doing now is I'm put the strip, bottom strip. I already tapped the old ones, but I'm going to put this new one here. So, okay. Okay, so I just finished putting the bottom strip. So there you go. This is how it looks like. It's new. The bottom strip. So there you go. Alright. So there it is. First one, I have to also replace the other one on the right side. Alright, so I will show you the final look of my garage now. As you can see there. So yan po. Oh, yan po ang aking bahay. It's my house. There, so ito na yung aking garage. Look after the painting of my garage. So, yeah. Alright. So, look at that's my neighborhood. How they garage. They have their garage there. Ating neighborhood. Bago siyang bilhin. Ayan. For sale. Yan sa kapitbahay. 40 million yan. Mahal na mabahay dito sa amin. 40 million. Kaya yung isa doon, no? Kabebenta lang. It was sold for about a week ago. Yun. Yan. So this is my neighborhood. This is very quiet neighborhood. Yan siya. So it's not that this is cloudy ngayon dito. It's Saturday here. Cloudy day. So yan ang aking neighborhood. Yan. So balik tayo sa aking bahay. Sa aming bahay. Yan. See? Yan na. Ang aking bahay. Yan o. Ginagawa ko ngayon. Pinipaint ko rin yung aking door. Ayan. Ayan. Pinipinturahan na yung aking main door. Ayan. Para mag-match sila sa aking garage door. Ayan. Look of my garage. Ayan. Okay. Closer. So yan siya ngayon. Wala na. Nakita niyo wala na yung mga peeling okay. There's a new paint. See? Dito dati may butas dito. Ito. Tingnan nyo. There's a big hole there before. But now fix it up. At dito sa baba meron ding crack dito. Yan. Pinaayos ko na. Everything went well. Pinapaint ko rin dito yung sidings niya, yung frame niya. Pinapaint ko rin. ko natanggal ito. I have to take this one out. Kaya tagalin ko yan. Yung masking tape niya. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Hope you like it. Okay, guys. Okay. All right. Ayan. Aking garage. So, ito na siya, ang aking garage. Nasa background yan. Oh, ayan. Yan aking garage door. Final look. With me. Alright. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang aking vlog. Yan. Nasa background niya aking ginawa. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Alright.